So, today people, me and Booby, that's our Booby, oh thank you Booby, Booby Blue Bollies, I've come up the snake path and it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Let's go for a wee wander over here. Come on Booby. Oh, it's sludgy. He's not going to like this. Don't like getting his feet mucky because even though he's a boy, he's a massive prinny, massive princess. Let's go over here. Oh, ah, look. Come on then, Bubby, let's go for a walk. So yeah, we're in the Derbyshire Dales with all the motorbikes. I didn't really know where to go, so I got to like a service station and there were like a million bikes, so I just followed them. Some people. It's a little zoom. Doing the wandering. Beautiful day for it. It goes under that tunnel. I don't know if you can see that. There's a big tunnel there, but I've got sun in my eyes, so it's not going to show up very well. Oh, that's the road. Long and winding road. And that's me parked in way. Looking all sexy. Hey, shush, you don't own the place. That one's behaving. Well, let's go for a wander.